Okay, so I'm gonna start talking. You're supposed to take a strand of hair. I'll probably include like a clip or something from the video. Did I get it? Okay, just a little bit more. Okay. That's a nice strand. What are you doing?
Special entries 1 week, 1 day.
Okay. So I'm looking at the video now. Are you gonna focus? I guess not, bitch. Or okay, so so she took the hair and put it into, like, it was equal to the sides, so they went down the same length, and she put like her finger in between it so it could be equal,
And I was like,
and she put it in the drawer. She said that somebody commented on the video and said that they used a straw and it kept like bending, so I'm probably gonna end up having that issue. I'm gonna try my hardest not to, because if that's the case, I'm gonna have to, like, I don't know, I need to grab the bowl, so like as soon as I'm done I can just throw it inside of the thing, because I'm not gonna be able to do a lot of them because I don't have that much bobby pins. But then I don't want to put it in my hair and like no, it'll still be like bendy. I'll just be doing it in my hair. I don't have to like dip it immediately. Let me see. I'll be back. Okay, so I put the basket down. I'm gonna try and do it now, or try, I guess. I'm gonna put that right under that bendy part because that's what's frustrating me right now.
worry about the check, nigga. BBS diamonds, little nigga had the flex. BBS diamonds, little nigga had the flex. Nigga hopping out the ride at all.
Life is good. I'm starting for the cheap spring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I'm the fool not to spend to be in my domain, all about the bitch.
Alright, you guys, it is the next morning. Well, the next morning. I just wanted to see the upkeep on the hairstyle. It is pretty. I already put jewels in it and everything, like, you know, a little something. So I'm gonna go take off my bonnet. And I'm a fan of it. I just wish it was smaller, if that makes sense. Like, I wish I didn't have like my hair as thick as I did, even though I did wet it, you know, once you put that lock on it and everything. Well, the lock gel and the spray, it's supposed to just be like, you know, set. Well, mine kind of like puffed up with the hair, so it's not big, but at the same time it looks kind of like Havana twist at the top and then passion twist at the bottom. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this off and let you guys see for yourself. My recommendation when attempting this style, I recommend cutting the ends and then tying them, because they get tangled very easily, and I have jewels in my hair, so it catches on to like other pieces of hair. So I didn't even notice the music was playing that whole time. But yeah, I don't hate it, but I don't know, it kind of gives me that, what is it, that boho or that bohemian style. Yeah, it kind of gives me that type of style. I wish they were longer though, but any longer than this and it would be hard to put back in a bun, because I do have my last day of out processing in the military to go. So I'm gonna have to take these out.